The only antidote to mental suffering is physical pain. Landlords, like all other men, love to reap where they never sowed. The production of too many useful things results in too many useless people. Experience praises the most happy the one who made the most people happy. Capitalism is a social system based on the exploitation of the majority by a minority for their private profit. The working class is revolutionary or it is nothing at all. History does nothing, it possesses no immense wealth, it wages no battles. It is man, real, living man who does all that. The bourgeoisie cannot exist without constantly revolutionizing the instruments of production, and thereby the relations, and with them the whole relations of society. Democracy is the road to socialism. The theory of communism may be summed up in one sentence: abolish all private property. Nothing can have value without being an object of utility. Revolutions are the locomotives of history. Medicine heals doubts as well as diseases. For the bureaucrat, the world is a mere object to be manipulated by him. Men's ideas are the most direct emanations of their material state. The philosophers have only interpreted the world, in various ways. The point, however, is to change it. The last capitalist we hang shall be the one who sold us the rope. Reason has always existed, but not always in a reasonable form. I am nothing but I must be everything. History repeats itself, first as tragedy, second as farce.